There is a new AI tool that faceless content creators are using to create videos like this, videos and images, and it has Seedance, Grok and all AI models. Now let me teach you how to use it.
Children are hungry.
Leave me alone.
Daddy, food. Mommy, I'm hungry.
Now head over to your browser and type Pixverse AI, okay, just as I did here. Once you type it, it's going to load into this beautiful interface for you, okay. As you can see, you can scroll through it. Then you see this place the road to try Pixverse. You tap on it, it would open into another beautiful interface for you, just like this. Once you sign in, you'll be awarded 90 credits, just as I was awarded like this, okay. If you look down, you'll see some icons: home, creation, agent, subscription. You can just go through it to navigate the app to just see how it is. This creation is where you create your image and your videos. If you tap on agent, to show you all the AI models. As you can see here, there's Grok, there's Seedance, there's Hailuo, there's One, there's Sora, there's ChatGPT. If you tap on the styles, it will show you everything that the app can do, okay. Now if you type on subscription, that is if you want to pay for the app subscription, but I did not pay. As you can see, it's very cheap, it's affordable. It's $8 as you can see, but there's none. If you tap on the home section, this is what it will show you, okay. Now we're going to tap back on home page. This is the home page. In this home page, you can see video, image and audio, okay. You can create your video here. If you want to create video, just tap on video. If you want to create, just tap on image. If you want to create audio, just tap on audio, or you can just click creation that is below. You can see creation below. You can just tap on creation. If you don't want to create your video here, just tap on creation, and to open it to this platform, you can see video, image and audio up. So we'll tap on video because we are creating our video. We already have our image and our dialogue. Then you see that box. You tap on that box where the rows click, drag or paste. Tap on it. You see photo library, take photo, choose files. Just tap on photo library, select your image, okay. The image you want to use to animate your video is going to load once you've selected it. Then once it's finished loading, you tap on the image and click confirm, okay. Once you tap on the image, you see it, you now click confirm, then your image will load it. Then you are going to paste your dialogue prompt, okay. The prompt you want to use to generate your video, you paste it. Then you scroll down, you select your resolution, okay. Then you also select your duration. You can select up to 15 seconds. Then the next thing you are going to do is to tap on this place that wrote Pixverse to select your AI model, okay. Once you tap on it, you see the various AI model that this platform has. It has Sora, it has Seedance, it has Grok AI, it has Kling, it has Grok Imagine, it has Pixverse, it has Gemini Omni, okay. It has VEO, Sora. You select the AI model you want to use. When you are done, you are going to tap on this place that they wrote one to select if you want one video or two video. Then when you are done, you tap on create, and immediately your video will start creating. It does not even take up to a minute. Your video will get generated. Once your video gets generated, you tap on it, it will open like this. Then you see where they wrote download. You tap on it and immediately to download it to your phone. Now let's watch the video generated.
You sleep every day. Won't you work?
I'm tired. Leave me.
Let's create another video. Tap on that box, tap on create, drag or paste, select your photo. Once it's load, tap on it, you click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, it's going to show, okay. Once it's showing this page, you're going to paste your prompt, scroll down, select your resolution, select your duration. In the next place that you wrote Pixverse, select your AI model. Then immediately you tap on create, and it will not take up to a minute. Your video will get generated. Once your video gets generated, you tap on it, you see the download icon, you download it, and your video is ready.
Our children are hungry.
Leave me alone.
Daddy, food. Mommy, I'm hungry.
Now I've shown you how creators are using this platform to generate videos for free, videos and images. You can use one email to create about 2 videos, about 15 seconds long videos. Now up on this platform and start generating your video, okay. Now I've taught you how to use it. You can also subscribe to the platform if you want to subscribe. The subscription charge is very low, okay. Now don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question, do also drop it in the comments. I'll do it to answer. See you in the next tutorial class. I love you all. Toodles.